Hello, my name is Mariam Mehdizadeh and I'm a level product engineer at Emerson. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the power module of the Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter.
When there is a power-related issue, such as the supply voltage being low, too low, and affecting device operation, you'll receive an alert in your host system and on the LCD. If a failure is detected, error appears at the bottom of the display.
The Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter is compatible with two types of intrinsically safe power modules, the black SmartPower Module and the blue SmartPower Module with extended lifetime. When choosing a power module, it is essential to use the correct cover. First, unscrew and remove the power module cover. Then, pull out the old module. Next, insert the new Emerson power module, either black or blue. After that, put the cover back and tighten it, making sure there is no gap between the cover and the housing. Finally, don't forget to recycle the old power module properly. Once you've installed the new power module, run the Install New Power Module setup on your host system.
Under the Power section, select Install New Power Module. Select Yes, reset the battery life, then click Next. Click Next to proceed with the setup. Your device is now ready for operation with the new power module.
Now you know how simple it is to replace the power module of the Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter and have it up and running in just a few minutes. For more information, please reach out to your Emerson representative or visit our website.